So I have officially killed my broccoli plants. I give up. I honestly give up because I have covered them. I have left them uncovered. I have soaked them in water right here. Just put them, the whole thing, into a bucket of water. I give up. I have fed them. I don't know what broccoli wants. Today it's going to be 65, but it's been very cold lately. So you guys, I don't know. At this point, I'm about to just, you know what? Maybe it's these dingo planters. This is gonna be the death of me. I need to just stop using these for certain things. Now my peppers were okay with this, so I'm gonna use these for my peppers. Apparently my broccoli does not like it. My tomatoes didn't like them. So I guess just certain things that like these cloth, whatever these things is called. I can't even think straight. I'm so annoyed. I just got to my sister's house and saw this. I'm so annoyed. Let me go see what the back ones look like. All right, now let's see what it's looking like back here. Yeah, even this one is looking sad. I don't like, and this one doesn't get a lot of sun. Wait, did I soak this in there? I don't know if I soaked this in the bucket or not. I don't remember. But everything, number one, I planted too late. I planted in October when I should have planted in August and didn't realize it. Yeah, I give up. I just give up. I give up. Yep, I'm giving up. Fall gardening isn't for me. Yeah, no, I'm lying. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep going. My spinach was looking good. I don't know what's going on with it now. Now it's all wilted. It has been covered. This stuff hasn't been covered for the past few days, simply because I'm trying to figure out, does it want to be covered or does it want to be uncovered? I feel like if I had a greenhouse, this would be better. You know what? I do have some plastic at home. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cover it up with plastic and see what happens. Yeah, until I get a bigger greenhouse. Yeah, that makes more sense. What I'm thinking about is potting one of those broccolis out there and taking this out and planting one of the broccolis in this pot to see how it does, seeing if it doesn't like the cloth potters or whatever. Like I said, I can't even think straight. Those things can piss me off. Or are you allowed to say that on YouTube? They have made me mad. But anyways, yeah. My sister's, what is that? Grapevine. I don't know if that's supposed to look like that or not. Ain't that my business. But yeah. So it's gonna be warm tonight, so I'm gonna leave this stuff uncovered, but I'll probably come back on Monday night or Tuesday night, because we're supposed to have a couple of warm nights, and I'm gonna cover this stuff back. I'm gonna cover the stuff up with plastic to see if it prefers that versus the cloth. We'll see. So I'm back at my house, and I wanted to show you. My daughter put this blanket on here. I guess she don't want my green onions to die, but this is what I'm talking about when I say put plastic over it. The green onions are doing fine. They're not doing as good as they were when it wasn't as cold, but they're still doing fine. I just need to find a way to tent this over here instead of it just laying right down there, so it actually gives the onions room to actually grow. And there's just one over here by itself that looks like it's dying. But yeah, this is what I mean when I say put plastic over it. I should just take my greenhouse over there. Yeah, I think that would be too tall. All of the broccoli plants. But my radishes and my green onions haven't been doing anything. Has it been a week or two? Let's say 11:30. I planted those November. I haven't seen anything, but then again, it's been extremely cold. I've been taking them in and out of the greenhouse. So they get sun. They do get sun. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. We shall see. I thought they'd be at least sprouted by now. Well, not the green onions, but the radishes. If these are the actual radishes, because y'all know I forgot to put my my label in there. But if these are actually the radishes, I thought they would have sprouted by now. Anyways, like I said, it's been extremely cold. So we'll see what happens. We shall see. But that is all for today's video. Even though it's my first time coming on video, that is all for today, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Continue to watch me struggle on my gardening journey, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.